little slice off the bottom so that the melon can stand up. Now that the melon is standing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my marks on the mouth of the shark. And what I'm going to do is just take a toothpick, and I'm going to start on the end, and I'm going to work my way around, just making a mark to outline the mouth. So that's the bottom of the mouth. And then I'm going to outline the top of the mouth. Top of the mouth is going to go like that. Just making a mark across. Here. This tool actually is used to kind of make lines. So what I'm going to do is trace the lines with this tool that I already created. I made lines like that in the melon. That's going to be the outline of the mouth. So I'm going into the melon now. Take my paring knife and I'm going to make incisions. I call them funky cuts. Funky cuts along the edge, which are going to be the teeth once I get finished. And you don't have to make them the same size. You can make some bigger, some smaller. Cut it into 4 so that I can remove it without breaking the teeth. Again, I'm going to keep all these pieces because I'm going to use all the watermelon inside, the inside of the mouth. And then I'm going to kind of make chunks of melon so that when I remove it, I can put them back in. I'm digging there deeply. Get some more of that melon out. Again, most of this melon is going to be transferred right back into the shark. Okay, got the mouth of the shark. The next thing I'm going to do is make the eyes of the shark. So what I'm going to do is pick a point on both sides here, and I'm going to use the melon baller and just kind of scoop in there and scoop out eye. One eye, that's one eye. Make sure I get the eyes even. And scoop it here and get the other eye out. Okay, now the shark has 2 eyes. Good. So the fin is going to go into the shark like this. Okay, but I'm gonna cut a hole in there so that I can insert it. If you got shark lovers, you can pick up a shark for Valentine's Day. The first shark I made, my brother Moses asked me to make it. He was doing something for his son in the Boy Scouts. And they wanted some fresh fruit platter. And they wanted something like a shark. So he asked me to make it, and we got together and we created the shark. So I got my fin. Now I'm going to make the little gills on the side of the shark. The gills are just 3 lines. On the side of the shark. That's where he breathes. The shark gotta breathe. gills. Cool. All right, so we got our shark here. We got our gills. We got our eyes. And what we do with the eyes is we take like grapes. And we put grapes in the eyes. To give it that 3D effect. You see the eyes? Yeah, the shark is coming together. Once I put this fin on, okay. We can place the shark head on the platter. And then we're gonna actually put together the other items. But this is just the centerpiece of the shark platter. Now I'm gonna fill this with fresh fruit, all different types of melons, pineapple, kiwi, strawberries, and it is going to be amazing. I don't want it jagged looking, so I want it kind of like chunks. So I'm gonna cut them into chunks and put them inside. Put them inside of the shark's mouth. Big chunks of watermelon. We try to come up with a theme for every holiday to give our customers something so that they can wow their friends and family. Yeah, you can go and get a platter from those other people, but you're not gonna get a shark. You're not gonna get a shark. The shark is exclusively at Edible Art Be Fruitful. All right. Now I'm filling the shark's mouth with fresh fruit. So I'm gonna use a little cantaloupe, use a little honeydew, I already have watermelon inside, so I'm gonna cut these into chunks. So it can be almost like a fresh fruit. I'm telling you, your kid's party will be awesome. And they're gonna rave about the shark for months. I'm gonna throw some grapes in there. Some red seedless grapes. Throw some white seedless grapes in there. This shark is gonna be stuffed to the gills. I'm gonna add some fresh strawberries. That is looking amazing. How about some orange? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this platter's coming together quickly. Again, we hand pick our fruit here, so you're only getting the freshest ingredients possible. Wow, that is amazing. And I'm gonna do something nice. I'm gonna put a little funky cut. Check it out, bang. Beautiful. One here, one there. Okay. I'm gonna add a little sliced watermelon, the size of the platter. Build it up a little bit. This platter is coming together. Okay. Next item is I'm going to add is grapes. And also 3 bunches of each. Bunches of white. Three big, beautiful bunches of red grapes. This platter is looking amazing. Another one over here. Our shark platter is done. Check this out. Only that edible art be fruitful. Check it out. Beautiful platter with all that luscious fruit inside. Small shark platter. Thank you for watching. Come get one of these. Come get one of these. For all you shark lovers, Valentine's Day is coming soon. Come get one of these platters. Have a